part is done. I was thinking that would be the hard part, but I don't know. Maybe getting all the stickiness off is going to be harder. But we'll see. Okay, so we are back to this. We took the United States sticker off of the RV. I had to peel it off. So yeah, my fingernails are jacked up, but it's real sticky. So we are going to see which is better. We are going to use the Dawn Power Wash and the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, and we're going to see which one works better. It's right over here maybe so you can watch. I'll bring you closer in a minute. Let's see.
Need the bigger ladders?
No, I feel like I'm on Survivor standing on these little pegs. That'll be fine. Okay. Soak in a little bit. Some spots. Okay, just to show you that, now let's try the magic eraser and see what it does. This has taken black tar off my white car one time.
Uh-oh. I think the Dawn is winning. Ain't it?
So,
Huh? Yep.
definitely.
I think so.
Okay, people. There you go.
I think Dawn won.
Proof is in the video.
The proof is in the video, Dawn.
Done yet?
Almost.
Okay.
39. 39. More down there.
Getting there. Alrighty, let's go over here. Got all the sticker off, but still sticky. Not as bad, but we're going to put another sticker over top of it, so probably won't matter. And then, see how dirty this thing is? I'm going to do a Dawn Power Wash on one, and Magic Eraser on the other, and see which one of these works better on this kind of stuff. Get them both wet.
We got that that foam mattress out too, we're going to cut it down.
Oh, okay. That's it for a minute. The Magic Eraser across this one. This it for a minute. Okay, this one is the Power Dawn Power Wash. Well. I really can't say which one did better. Now I'm going to clean it all. Let's see.
Come on in, woman.
Come on in. Alrighty. Oh, wow.
That's what I got down so far. I got 2 more pieces to go down. Gotta fix that back there. I gotta go get some water fittings.
You're moving right along.
And then trim it out, and I can set that bed back in here and reconnect everything. Right, basically rebuild it. Not rebuild it, but re-support it. Because I had to cut it off right there and right there. So it won't be hard to do, but
We gotta re-support it because we gained some weight.
speak for yourself, woman.
I know, I only gained a few 100. No.
That's me. I gained a few hundred. No, I don't want to gain
Okay.
probably 20, 30 pounds. 20 pounds at least. 'Cause I even think after I weighed myself the other night, I probably lost a few pounds before I weighed myself. I was probably pushing 240.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because
So.
you waited 3 or 4 days after we got back from vacation.
Yeah.
Or more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, he's got that to lay there. He's got to do the bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
And then right along here.
Yep, right there. And then trim it all out.
And then when you get this done, I'll probably come in after I cut the grass and clean underneath these things because we can put the trimming up and then put the doors back on, all right?
Uh-huh. Hey! Ew!
What's our shower look like?
Hopefully it's not wet in here.
Yeah, needs a cleaning.
Nope. No water leaks. It rained hard last night,
Yeah, it did.
so
Limbs all over the place out here.
that's when I had it taken all apart.
Drink your water.
I'm drinking it.
Okay.
When I first started working on it out here, we had water come through here, and it's dry. We had water drip through here, so that's the antenna, right here.
We know what you're talking about.
But yeah, it leaked through there, so I need to put that back up there. I fixed the leak.
And I cleaned all this stuff to put back up on there. Look at that. Looks like brand new over there. You don't see it?
Huh? What?
The thing that goes on top of it. Back on it.
Oh, this. Yes.
Yeah, look
Yeah,
at
looks
that.
like brand new.
Guess what I took to it?
Hot Dawn.
Yep. Power wash. Okay. I'm outie.
Alrighty.
Working right along. Bathroom. One more piece right there. Still needs one strip right here. What are you doing?
I just told you what I said.
Oh, you gotta sit down?
Yeah. Every time I bend over like that and I stand up, I gotta sit down.
That's fine, honey. You're moving right along with this.
Hey.
Looks awesome. As awesome as you.
Mm-hmm.
I am going to get under here and clean all this stuff out.
Mm-hmm.
Dirty, dirty, dirty. Those two cubby thingies and this one underneath here. Get all them cleaned out. So we can leave in a clean RV. I should probably sweep first. Look, this was just sitting back there.
Yeah, that goes to that vent right there.
Did you take it off?
Yeah.
Oh. Alrighty then. I don't want to lift too much stuff up in here because I don't want something to break. That'd be my fault. Okay. Got that one under there done as far as I could get without killing myself. Now, got this one to do in here, yucky. This one to do over here, yucky. Then when Randy gets the bathroom piece in, I'll do the bathroom and I can start putting the bathroom back together, can't I?
Once I get this one,
Okay, that's really dirty underneath there. And I can't get a broom. So this is what I got out of there and all this. Yuck. Nasty. I don't think I can get back any further than that. I'd like to, but I don't think so. Oh. Well, it's not spotless in there, but it's as good as I could get through there.
good as you can get it.
Yeah, and then while I was doing that, Randy got this last piece in the bathroom.
Woo.
So it's done.
Woo. Today Friday?
Ooh, today is Friday.
Friday.
And then it's really breezy today, which is a good thing because we got these windows open. The breeze goes right through the way it's coming.
It's kind
But-
actually it's kind of cold.
But
What?
tomorrow,
It's gonna be
Saturday and Sunday, no. Saturday and Sunday it's going to be thunderstorms. So you're going to be in here, but the doors ain't going to be open. Windows aren't going to be open. What do you think about that?
I think.
Alrighty, yes. Bathroom tile is done, or flooring, whatever. I'm going to get in there and clean that cubby now.